Yabuli Ski Resort, located in Heilongjiang Province, China, is the perfect destination for outdoor enthusiasts during the winter months. As the largest and most renowned ski resort in the country, Yabuli offers the breathtaking beauty of northern China's winter landscapes combined with exhilarating sports activities. With its majestic natural scenery and thick, powdery snow, Yabuli provides an unforgettable winter experience. Yabuli is a skiing paradise for all skill levels. Its snow-covered slopes are designed to meet international standards and have hosted major events such as the National Winter Games of China. For beginners, basic skiing lessons are available, guided by professional instructors who make it easy to pick up the sport. For seasoned skiers, the more challenging slopes offer an adrenaline-pumping experience as you race downhill in the crisp, cold air. Beyond skiing, Yabuli offers plenty of other exciting activities for you to explore. Try snowboarding on the powdery slopes or take part in adventurous snowmobiling. You can glide across thick snow, feeling the chill wind on your face. For those who prefer tranquility, snow-covered trails through pine forests provide a serene escape. Walking through these quiet woods, breathing in the fresh winter air, and watching snowflakes gently fall will make you appreciate the wonders of nature. At night, the starry sky reflecting off the snowy landscape creates a magical scene you'll never forget. Yabuli is not just about outdoor activities. It's also known for its modern facilities. From convenient cable cars that take you to the mountaintop to luxurious hotels and resorts located near the ski area, everything is designed to ensure maximum comfort for visitors. After an active day, you can relax in cozy spaces and enjoy local specialties such as hot pot or grilled meats, perfect for warming up and recharging after a chilly day on the slopes. The best time to visit Yabuli is from November to March, particularly in December and January when the snow is at its thickest, creating ideal conditions for sports and sightseeing. Yabuli is not just a sports hub, it's also a haven for those who want to soak in the grandeur of winter and experience the vibrancy of nature. Yabuli offers more than thrilling and challenging moments. It also evokes the magic of winter through its serene and spectacular beauty. If you're looking for an adventure that combines excitement and discovery, Yabuli is the perfect choice where winter becomes a vivid and unforgettable experience.